In this video, I'll show you how to deposit Solana on Pump.fun. It's going to be a tutorial video, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your Pump.fun, click on your Phantom. Okay, let me say I want to use another browser for this. Just click on your Phantom wallet. Make sure the extension is currently installed here on your PC. So what you need to do, click on this receive. Once you click on the receive, you're going to be able to copy and fund your Solana wallet address. Fund the Solana wallet address with any preferred amount you want from your own choice. So once you have funded this, what you need to do, go to Pump.fun, click on login, click on Phantom. So once you have done this, you can be able to come on here and connect your Phantom wallet to your Pump.fun. Once I've connected it, just click on this Phantom connect. Is going to come out, so click on the connect. Once I've connected, you're going to be able to deposit Solana here on your Pump.fun. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.